Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Pete Banks. In this video, you will learn the 4 most effective ways to get your first set of clients for your drop servicing business. This is exactly how I have taught so many people to do it, and the results were amazing. So make sure to keep watching in order not to miss any vital point or information. But before that, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you could be the first to know when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video so more people can find it and be empowered by it. So with that said, let's get right into it. Alright guys, welcome back. As mentioned earlier, I'll be teaching you, showing you how to get your first set of clients for your drop servicing business. 4 most effective ways to do so. Alright, so if at this point you really don't know what drop servicing is, I would advise you, recommend that you watch the very last video that I did. It explains it. I'll link it up right here, so go watch it and you would fully understand what drop servicing is. It's quite similar to drop shipping, so you're just like the middle person, all right, and you go out there, get jobs for a higher rate, and then you get someone who's going to deliver the service, all right, at a lesser rate, so you just pocket the difference. That is it. That's drop servicing in summary. All right, so but I would advise you, if at this point you really don't know exactly what drop servicing means, go watch this video. It will help you. All right guys, you can find the video in my video, just go to my channel and you'll be able to see loads of other videos, but I would advise you go check up the drop servicing video that I did recently and you'd understand this concept before we move on here. All right guys, but if you have watched it, then let's get into it right now. So if you can see my screen, I'm just going to run through 4 ways that I have taught a lot of people on how to do on how to get their first set of clients. And if you do any of this, if you take on any of these pointers and you start to practice it, I'm telling you, within just 1 week or some weeks, you're going to get your first client. You're going to get people who are going to subscribe to these services and who will tell you that yes, they want this service. All right, so let's check out number 1. Number 1 is online video presentation using Loom and LinkedIn. All right, I'm sure you can see my screen. Online video presentation using Loom and LinkedIn. How does it work? There's a service, a platform that offers you free way to record yourself, record yourself and your screen. Let me show you the platform right now. It's called Loom. All right, I'm going to leave the link in the description box so you can go there, check it out, and you get on the platform. Sign up. It's just free. I mean, get Loom for free, as you can see here. Show it, say it, send it. So it's quite easy. Now look at this. It gives you a snapshot of what it will look like when you're doing yours. So you're going to see yourself recording yourself this way with your computer. That's a camera of your laptop, and you'll be able to present and show people, like go on their website. For example, you have a client and you have a prospective client that you would like to work on their website, okay? And you have gone through their website and checked, seen some errors on their website that you would like to correct. That is the best way to actually sell things to people, telling them that, hey, I've seen what you currently have, but I just feel that if we can tweak it this way, change a couple of things, that it will be standard, it will be better. All right, for this reason and that reason. Maybe search engine optimization, you have checked it and you have proof. Maybe you have run a search engine SEO check on that website and you have some results. You can use it to show them. You can use Loom to record yourself, highlighting the areas just the way you can see here. You can say, hey, look at this pointer here. This is what I've seen and I think we can work. I can work on it, all right, to make it better. On your website, this logo is not looking right, it's not sitting right, this information here is not really okay. It will affect your search engine results. If you look at this, the structure of the website is not properly placed, the pictures and all of that, maybe that the site is not optimized, the site is not responsive. You can use Loom. Now they are seeing you. The good thing about it is that they are seeing you present this live, meaning that you're taking your time to look through what they have not even given to anyone, to look through their work, to look through their website. I mean, it shows concern. It means that aside the fact that you would like for them to give you the job to do, it shows that you are concerned about their growth. their business. All right, so it just gives you that credibility because you are the one presenting it. It's not just your voice. They are seeing your face and you're showing them professionally on their website, on the service that you want to offer them, things that you can improve. All right, things that you can change, updates that needs to be done. All right, you're showing it there. You're giving them instant, like it's just like you making a presentation now in a boardroom. All right, so make the video with Loom. And then what do you do next? You go to LinkedIn. I'm sure you should have a LinkedIn profile now. If you don't, sign up to LinkedIn and then you can subscribe to their premium plan. I think LinkedIn offers premium plan free for, if I'm not wrong, like 1 month, thereabouts. You can get a premium plan for free 1 month. Yes, you're not paying anything. So within that period, you can use that advantage. You can leverage on that to get people. Now, how does the premium plan work? It works in a way that you'll be able to send people direct messages to their inbox. That's their LinkedIn inbox. You'll be able to get some vital information about those people. Now you go to LinkedIn, you check, you've seen this website. No, you go to LinkedIn and then you check on the profiles of the staff of this company. Maybe the manager, the owner of the company, or the IT manager of the company, or just the operations manager, or someone who you feel works for the company and can convey the message to the top management. Or maybe you look for the main person. All right, so you send this Loom message. There's a link. All you need to do is just compose a few lines. Good day, sir. I hope this meets you well. I would like you to check up on this because I've looked through your website and I feel that I have some things that if I do these things on your website, it would make your website great. It would do this and that. So just check up it, and I have a little presentation to make on it. So this is the link. All right, so if they click on the link, they will instantly see this video of you making this presentation. So it's like an unsolicited presentation. You are now in their faces. They've not called you to come present to them, but you are making the presentation, all right, to them, showing them what you feel you can do right, what you know you can actually put right on the website. This is one of the best ways to go about it using Loom. So go ahead and sign up with Loom. It's actually free and you can do presentations like this. All right, you'll be able to share the links, and then when you have on your dashboard on Loom, you'll be able to see the numbers of people that have watched that video. So if you send messages, all right, to these people, you'll be able to see if they have clicked on it. Loom on your dashboard will show you if they have clicked on it or not. It will show you if they have engaged with the video, how many times they've watched it, and you'll be able to do so. All right, so this is exactly what Loom does. It's basically free. So with the combination of Loom and LinkedIn, you're gonna do a great one. You're gonna do video presentation to your prospective client, and with this it will bring you your first set of clients so easily. A lot of the people have thought about this. I've thought this process, this strategy, I've used it to get many clients and still getting a lot of clients today. So it's one strategy that you can continue to use for as long as possible. Even if you have your clients, if you have your first set of clients, you have other batches of clients coming in as time goes on, you can still use Loom because it is one way to get in the faces of people, presenting to them exactly what they want done on their website, but they've not really thought about it or not really had the time to look through your website. But right now you're taking the time analyzing their website for them, making them see the loopholes, the things that needs to be fixed on the website. So it's a great one. All right, so let's look at number two way to go about it: unsolicited proposals. All right, now this is one method that I personally used in the early stages of Entitude Agency Limited. All right, I would just draft some, very little proposal. I'll just draft it, and what I would do is use emails. I will buy emails from people. That's email marketing. Buy email list from people that have it. You can have a filtered email list, maybe targeting Nigerians, targeting people in Lagos, targeting professionals, owners of companies, CEOs, or IT managers. You can have a combination of all of this. All right, you can have top managers in top companies, oil companies. You can have email lists of oil companies. You can have email lists of bank workers. You can have email lists of people in NGOs. All of this. So you approach those that sell email lists. They're online. You can Google it and be able to find reliable ones who can supply you with this email list. It could be 50, 100, 150, 1,000 emails, and you buy it. When you buy it, you'll be able to use it for the long. What you do is, once you've composed this proposal, all right, your proposal should contain your portfolio, You should have a link to your portfolio, your website, of course, that takes them to the portfolios. That's the portfolio page on your website, or the portfolio of Entitude. If you are, our business partner, you'll be able to send them that. And of course, if you want to send them your price list, it's also okay. Or you ask them, you tell them that you can send your price list a request. So it's just a short proposal. You compose an email, and then you blast, send it to this email list that you have gotten. All right, if you already have email list, then fantastic. But if you don't have, you can actually go get an email list and then start sending. I tell you, if you blast about 1,000 emails, unsolicited emails, detailing what you can do for them, that you have checked out their website, and you can actually combine it. You can put the Loom link there as well if you have a video presentation, so it doesn't have to just do with LinkedIn. You can put the Loom link that you have done, the video of the Loom link you've done, into the proposal, and then you send it out. All right, a lot of people will go through their emails. All right, if it's work emails, they will definitely see it, and then when they read it, most of them will get back to you. And when they get back, because you are nailing exactly what they need done on their website, or maybe things that they need to change, but they haven't really had the time to do this. And most of them are really busy, so it's not like they don't want their website to look better, but they really haven't found the time to get the right people to work on their website. So but if you are approaching them right now, it gives them it gives them that conviction that you can do it, and most of them will respond positively and then engage you for that service. So it is one way to go about it, and that is the number 2, unsolicited proposals using email marketing. Now another way is physical mail. Now physical, what does it do? It's just about you composing and a mail, just like the proposal you're going to send via email, but this time around you put it in a paper, you print it out, put it in an envelope and address it to the company. But it will be great if you can locate, if you know the location of that company, their office, so you walk in there, knock on their doors and walk in, meet the receptionist, or ask for the IT manager or somebody who is the most trusted person to hand over the letter to, and explain to them exactly your mission there. All right, so this is one of the ways. What does it mean? It means it conveys boldness. It conveys the fact that you're confident. For you to come to that company, it means that you're serious. A lot of people would see you as a serious person, that you took the stress, to come to their company to do this. Like, they would see you as a serious person and someone who is really committed to what they are doing, who can go the miles, who can go extra miles to do stuff. And people see things like this and then engage you for the service. You become quite close to the company. So this is one way to do it. You can either send through email, using email marketing, getting email lists, or you go to their office directly, handing them the physical mail. So that is the number 2 way to go about getting your first set of clients for your drop servicing business. Then let's look at number 3. All right, number 3 is bulk SMS. All right, this shouldn't come as a surprise, because if you can send email lists, if you can use email marketing, then you can use bulk SMS. All right, bulk SMS is basically where you get phone numbers of people. You can buy it. All right, there's one website right here, let me show you. It's called Bulk SMS Live. Bulk SMS Live, I've used it and I think it's quite reliable. It's a Nigerian website, so with this you can just sign up, buy their package. It starts from 1,000 naira. They even have a mobile app. I didn't even know. It starts from 1,000 naira, from 500 phone numbers to I think 9,999 units. All right, that is the number of emails, number of SMSs that you can send, from 500 SMSs to this. So what you do in this respect is, they don't sell the numbers, they are only helping you to send the that is a bulk SMS. But you can buy phone numbers from people who sell. There are people out there, most of the people that sell email lists also sell phone number lists. All right, so you can get this too from them, and then you register here and start sending the SMSs. It has to be a short one. All right, it has to be a short SMS, but the inside should have maybe a link that takes them to your website to show them your portfolio, or maybe another link that takes them to watch the Loom video that you have done. So bulk SMS is definitely the number 3 way to go about it, to go about getting your first set of clients for your drop servicing business. All right, guys, if at this point you're yet to subscribe, you like what I'm doing, give it a huge thumbs up right now. All right, give it a huge thumbs up, because if you do so, the more you're liking this video, the more people that like this video, YouTube is going to recommend this video to a lot more people, and then they will be empowered with this information that you're being empowered right now. And please consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you could be the first to know when I drop new videos. All right, guys, let's move on quickly to the last pointer, which is social media ads. Yeah, this is one of the obvious ways to get clients these days. Using Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, you can actually do ads on these platforms, and just quick ads on the platform. Just come up with something like a banner image or maybe a video, and then you put it out there. You advertise on Facebook, and Facebook owns Instagram and as well as WhatsApp, so they are just the same company. So you can do an advert that just cross posts into these other ones, especially Instagram. Then you can run for WhatsApp as well. With this, you'll be able to get people seeing the fact that you can do websites, that you can do these things, and then they can be redirected to your website where you have your portfolio, the list of websites that you've done. All right, because it's important for people to see what you've done. All right, when it comes to website design, if they don't see it, they will consider you a newbie, somebody who they really can't entrust their website to, like you really can't handle it. A lot of people look at your website. First of all, they want to look at your website, that if your website can be like this, all right, then how would their own be? So they use your website. If you're saying you can design and build a great website, an awesome website, how is your website? That's the question. So your website has to be top notch. That's the reason why I ask people, if you're going to partner with us, that's Entitude Agency Limited, I'm going to leave the link to our website in the description, where you can just go to and fill up the form, and then you drop service with us. You can use, in our MOU, we allow you to use our website for your adverts, our website to let people know that you are a partner or you work for us. And then you can use our jobs, you can use the website projects that we've done to show to people. All right, so it is there. As long as you're a partner, you're allowed to use our content, you're allowed to use our website, you're allowed to use our material. So the link is in the description box. Go get it. It's very important to show people what you've done so that they are confident that you can do it. It's also important for people to see that your website is top notch, so that they can be very confident too that, hey, if your website can look this awesome, that they are very sure you're going to deliver an awesome job. All right, so number 4 and the very last point, so you can see it. Number 1 is, let's go through it again. Number 1 is online video presentation using Loom and LinkedIn. I've shown you Loom. This Loom, for those who didn't see it, this is Loom right here. You'll be able to use to do video presentation, showing them exactly what on their website that can be fixed. And you can combination of LinkedIn, and you can use that same Loom link to send unsolicited emails using MailChimp. That is email marketing. All right, and this is the number 3 is bulk SMS, while the number 4 is social media ads. All right, these are the 4 most effective ways to get your first set of clients for your drop servicing business, guys. You can drop service with Entitude Agency Limited. All right, guys, this is it. Subscribe to this channel, like it, share it with friends so that it will go viral. A lot more people will get this information and be empowered by it. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question to ask, or maybe you've tried any of these methods out, just let me know how they are working for you in the comment section. Go in the comment section below, put your comment there, let me know exactly which of these methods or strategy have worked for you, and I'll do my best to respond and help you along the way. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.